Yeah, hey, I'm calling from the Stripes over here on Alistair Street. Do you guys happen to know how to get this stupid door chime to stop chiming?
Oh, no.
Have you ever had to deal with anything like that?
Michelle just left, and I'm fairly new.
It's just going crazy.
And there's another girl that's been here longer than I, and she's in the restroom.
Oh, do you think you can ask her real quick? Just yell through the door. I'm sorry, this thing's been driving me mad for the past like hour.
I have a customer right this second. This is Ice.
It like stops sometimes and then it starts up again. It's crazy.
Oh, I can hear it. That drives me insane. That's like me cleaning the rug.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Okay.
I'm about to beat this thing with a hammer. Let me tell you.
You want me to give you Michelle's phone number?
No, that's okay. I think I have Michelle's phone number. I'll give her a call. Like you don't have to give me that.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah, oh. I got Michelle's phone number.
You know, I would call her because she's been in Stripes for a long time. She probably
this stupid thing. You know what? Hold on a second. Let me try something. Oh well, I think that worked for it.
Have you ever had a problem with that door where the sound won't stop?
Oh god damn it! I just knocked it off the thing, off the top of the door, and now it's still going. Hold on, let me try and kick it again.
I sold one, but they went out the door with it.
Yeah, I just threw it again. Oh, that made it stop for a second. Hold on, I'm gonna really hit it. Yeah.
You got it? Okay.
Oh damn it! No, it's still going.
I'd call Michelle.
All right, I'm gonna hold on. Let me try one more thing.
She knows a lot.
Oh, now it's starting to vibrate now. Oh my God!
What's that noise?
I have no idea what it's doing.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. That was really strange. I don't know. I'm gonna saw this thing in half.
Okay. Did it stop?
Yeah, I'm sawing it in half right now. I'm sawing it. I'm gonna hit it with a wrench too.
Oh my gosh, okay.
Oh, yep. Alright. Maybe we'll do some hammering. Yeah, that's kind of what you gotta do, I think, if you ever have problems with it. Just hit it with a bunch of shit.
Okay. Thanks for the warning.
Yeah. We're gonna grind it down now so it never makes that again. Alright, well you have a good one too, alright?
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, yeah, goodbye.
Bye.
Ah, damn it! God damn it! Okay, that was fun. That was a lot of fun. I love my soundboard.